To set double press home button function on your Galaxy Watch to access accessibility shortcut, you can do so by using two ways: directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so on your phone, go to the app screen, on wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap button and gesture. Under home button section, tap double press. And then under feature section, select accessibility shortcut. To see how it works, press the home button on your watch twice to easily access the accessibility shortcut menu. Now you can select the accessibility feature you want to use. Given to the function, setting the double press home button to open accessibility shortcut can make it easier for you to access important features like color adjustment and other accessibility features on your watch. This helps improve convenience and usability, especially for those who rely on accessibility tools. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.